Hastings, Igata, good evening. Easy Baba Skimo, good evening. One love, one love. Anthony Osatimon, good evening. Solidarity forever. One genuine love with better style. You are all welcome on board. It is all about us. Yeah, one love with better style. Good evening, good evening, good evening. You're all welcome. United we stand, divided we fall. Believe me, the thing we need is to unite, is to know what is going on around us. You don't need too much. You don't need a PhD to know what is going around you. You don't need a BSc to know what is going around you. You just need your common sense. You just need to observe. You just need to observe and notice things and work towards the direction. Only one man cannot fight a battle, or rather cannot go to a battle. It takes a group of army to go for a battle. I implore you all, as an African army, we are all going to battle. And not just battle to go and fight with gun, a bow and arrow, spear, sword. No. It is the IQ, your sense, your wisdom. You don't have to fight in everything. Believe me, we have been fighting since. Before we were born, this generation, people have been fighting. Even before the previous generation, people have been fighting. Wars in so many places in Africa, almost everywhere in Africa, even in Europe and Asia countries, in America. Yes, fighting has never been the solution. Fighting has never been the solution. Doing the right thing is the solution. Taking the right step is the solution. The government or the people in government are there because they got your vote or because they rigged the election. You can decide for who to vote for. That's all. Don't let anybody deceive you. No former governor or no former president in Nigeria that has your good intention. It is just 5%. If you really want to check it well, vividly, check it well. No. They are all against you. It is not Buhari alone. Believe me, it is not Buhari alone. Buhari alone cannot do what he is doing. Buhari is even very old to even do some of those things they are doing in his name. He's not the one doing it physically. Paul Biya is not the one doing it physically in Cameroon. No. They are just the head. They give order. People concur with them. People agree with them. People cooperate with them in that same country. That is why they can carry out those bad atrocities. It is people that are ministers, that are senators, that are commissioners, ambassadors. One way or the other, you have contributed for them to be there. Yes, you have voted them in. Or some of you voted them in. Because without a number of votes or without a vote, they can't just be there. They can't declare anybody winner. Control your mind. Forget about the 5,000 naira. Forget about the 10,000 naira. Forget about the 20,000 naira. Let's take it back. Government has their own, or rather the people in government has their own parts. None of them has been good, none of them have been nice. Their internal generated revenue, their federal allocation for every state. So what have they been doing with those money in their various states? What have the senators been doing with the money? The constituency money, over 100 million annually. What have they been doing with it in their constituency? You have to use your sense, Nigerian youth, African youth. These old men are our parents, no doubt. They are our leaders, they are our elders. We are related to them one way or the other. We can decide for ourselves. They can advise us, but positively. If not for the corruption or for the suffer or for the bad ruling of government, on a normal sub, as an African, a young man should respect his elders and prostrate for them. But they have pushed us so much to the wall that we don't even have the control of our mind, of our thinking. They have made everything so hard that we are frustrated. But nothing is impossible. The way these same people practice negativity or evil deed, we can also do positive. We can also take the right step, show good example. Like I talked before, he not get any of the governor or president. They may have worked to an extent or do one or two things, but they have not done the right thing. They have not amended or amended the constitution. The constitution is illegal. Everybody is supposed to be equal before the law. No, they have changed the system that the constitution keeps them high there, exhort them, protect them, provide for them excessively, extravagantly. Then the constitution fight back against the normal people or the masses. It is supposed to be equal. Let's use a case study or an example for minimum wage. NSU prescribe or propose 65,000 or rather 60,000 for minimum wage. But the government brought it down to 24,000. But at the same time, this same government, they pay senators 13.5 million monthly for running costs. For running costs with extra 750,000 as their salary as senators. No wardrobe allowance there. No sitting allowance there. So, Nigerian youth, take it back. When I mean take it back, take it back. Take it back. We have been crying since Buhari. Now, PDP don't go bring Atiku come. Can't use Peter Obi from Abia State, former governor of Abia State, take cover up, take blind, or one use them, take blind the Igbo people eye. Make them look past the problem or the pain. No. It is doing the right thing. Atiku is not a better choice. Yes, we know Buhari must go. Yes, I support the fact that Buhari must go. Anyhow we can remove Buhari, yes, Buhari must go. But Atiku is not better than Buhari. Believe me, Atiku is not better than Buhari. Atiku is a billionaire. He has money. But how far has they gone? What Atiku don't do? How far Atiku don't do? For inside Nigeria with him money. All these big politicians, they are rich. They are billionaires. What have they done in their community? What did they don't do without their level for their community? What did they don't do for their community with this their money, with this their level? Instead, to put pain for our body, to put sickness for our body. Imagine, we see the battle with polio. We never fit cure polio. For how many years? Believe me, we need to take it back, Nigerians. We need to take it back, Nigerians. We need to take our destiny in our hand. A lot of people are so poor. Few people are very rich. Very, very, very rich. I don't envy them. Or rather, I don't envy those who are not in the government sector. Those who have made their money over the years. Kudos to you. You work for it. I'm not talking about ritualists or either Yahoo boy. No. The government don't fail us. Believe me, these old people don't fail us. They don't do power. They don't do power now for over 40 years. For over 50 years, sef. Now these people don't do power. And they say we are the leaders of tomorrow. How are we the leaders of tomorrow? When you are already a grandfather and you are still dragging position with your grandchildren, with your children, putting them in pain, and you say you are our father, you are our elders, you are our leaders. No. Nigerian youth, make una stand up. No time to waste. You can listen to comedy, you can watch comedy, you can play music, you can live your normal life. There is no problem with that. But let's take the right step. Let's start doing things. Let's not swim in corruption. Not be only those who do for government, they do the corruption now. Now some of us will see their house here, they collaborate with them, they partner with them, they go the message for them. Some of you go, they hail this chairman, or they hail the senator, they hail ministers, where they chop your money, they kill you. Then your small brother or your fellow brother will get the same level with you. He never do you anything, he never provoke you, you don't shine your eye, you don't shine your power, you won't bust in head. Senator, where they take the billions and the millions for inside your country illegally. Governor, where they embezzle money. Ministers, where they embezzle money. You no shine eye for them. I plead with you, Nigerian youth, African youth, love yourself, unite, cooperate. It will only take a little more while, as in a little while. It not go take again. Atiku is not our choice. Buhari is not our choice. None of these people are our choice. But believe me, they have the power to rig the election. Yes, they have the power to rig the election. But you have the power to do something about it. You can do something about it without them rigging it. The 2015 election, where Buhari take win Jonathan, all the vote where they calculate, now 27 million. 27 million. For inside 194 million people or inside 200 million people, because we don't even know the exact figure where we get as a population for Nigeria, because we don't even get database. Without database, you know go fit know how many people dey a particular community or a particular area or environment. Now with your database, they go take know who and who be this person, where they stay and how they take come about. They don't get any good intention for us. We should stop selling ourselves to them. Only 27 million people now vote. The way PDP get, the way APC get, the way SDP get, the way Labour get, and other political parties, all now 27 million. But thank God now, for the calculated register now, where INEC don't release, or people who don't go register for voters card. Now 80 million people for inside the same 200 million or 194 million people for inside this Nigeria now. Now 80 million people. And the good news now say the youth now get 60 million. Inside the 80 million people now, youth now 60 million for inside. That na the joy where I get, and that na the energy where they make me to go say we get a good chance. Yes, we get a good chance. If Atiku or Buhari win this election with counted vote, and I go know say na the youth now give them, because the women, or rather the adult or the elders, na just 20 million out of 80 million. When I mean say the old people, now 20 million for inside 80 million. Why the youth? The youth between the age of 18 to 45, or now 60 million that the youth get. So with that percentage, with that 60 million people, we don't be the youth for Nigeria now, we don't register. We feel put anybody for that seat. We fit put anybody for that seat. Now just common sense. The elders and everybody, now 20 million people. The youth now 60 million people. Out of that 60 million people, make 40 million people for the youth just vote for one person. Come 2019. Make 40 million people from the youth vote against either Atiku or Buhari. The problem is solved. And some elders we know, not be all the elders still be bad elders or still be corrupt elders. There are some good ones too. Now for just those few good ones now, just to still vote for that same person with the youth. We don't take many percentage from even that they are 20. If some elders don't join the youth, we don't boo 40%. I know everybody will not go and vote that day, but it is also wrong. Everybody is supposed to come out and exercise their right. That is your right. That is your card. That is your opportunity to decide the person who will rule you. Africa unite. Nigeria unite. Now the only thing be that. Make we be the youth cooperate. Make we take our stand. Make we take our positive stand. Make we not do negative thing. Say Nigeria don't spoil, Nigeria don't spoil, Nigeria don't spoil. No. And another good news again, which I suppose don't talk from the beginning. Now truth, the news where they go around, where they talk say, Nnamdi Kanu don't come back. Now truth. Or rather, they don't see Nnamdi Kanu, or they know where he did, say he did alive, say he never died. Yes. They see him for Jerusalem. For the big temple, where people for they go do holy pilgrimage, where they for they go worship God, the way Muslims get Mecca, for Saudi Arabia, or the way Muslims they go Mecca for Saudi Arabia. Now worship place for Israel. Now they for Siam, we are taking pictures, some people getting video. Say go address World Conference very soon. That one are truth. Not be say I say make Biafra or rather make Nigeria share. No, that has never been my priority. For Biafra to come or for Nigeria to divide. No, I am not saying that. Believe me. If we unite and we stand, nobody will want to go anywhere. Nobody will form anything. America is bigger than Nigeria. Even some states in America is bigger than the whole Nigeria. But one man is governing the whole United States of America. So it's not about we are too big or we are too populated. No. China is 3 billion people. India is over 2 billion people. Nigeria will never even reach 500 million people. We never reach 500 million. No matter how populated we don't be, we never reach 500 million people. So why we not fit? So why we not fit put ourselves in order? Why we not fit put ourselves in order? See even Ghana. Ghana will be say Lagos economy big past the whole Ghana. They don't fit people put themselves together. They see the whole debt. They see they do this one. No. As on a small so now go package on ourselves. Not be only Nigeria get wahala or only Nigeria get problem. Now all the Africa countries. Oh. Only John Magufuli from Tanzania, now it don't make a little difference for a very long time now. John Magufuli or Magufuli, now only it don't make a little difference. And the present president for Addis Ababa, for Ethiopia, yes, he still they try to do one or two things. All the problem wey they get since for over the years, if they try they are made them. They don't even go see the president of Egypt. Make them foresee how they fit work together, make things they happen between their region. Africa, make una stand up, make una shine on our eyes. Not be for fight, not be to carry spear, not be to carry gun. They don't fight since before they born us. This generation. They don't fight in 1900. They don't fight in the 14th century. They don't fight in the beginning of the world. Fight never solve anything. Now more trouble they bring, now more fight. Make we just collabo. Make we just collabo. Let's just unite. Work hand in hand. Nigerian youth, stand up. Don't sell your birthright. I may look funny, I may sound funny. I may even sound crazy. But believe me, 10 years to come, 20 years to come, or as the case may be, you will remember these things I'm saying. I may sound local, but don't worry yourself, my guy, or my sister, or my mama, or my papa. We all they suffer. Majority of Nigerians, they suffer. Let's not pretend about it. Let's do the right thing. Let's do the right thing. China not be Christian country. We carry Christianity for head. We carry pastors for head. We carry, I don't know what I want to talk. We carry our imam for head. China not be Christian. China not be Muslim. Now Hindu, Buddha, now they do for other side, Hare Krishna, all those kind of region. They not there for Christianity level. But their economy they grow. 30 years ago, China not get one level. China not get one level. China even worse past Nigeria or dey Nigeria level. 30 years ago, no level. 40 years ago, no level for China. China worse. Check their population, billions. We still there for millions with a shout. Under 30 years or 25 years or even 20 years, China package themselves now. The whole world, they go China. The whole world, they go China now. Even American product, you go see and made in China, they do it for America. Just now, American standard. The way our people, they go do Le Bouquet standard, they can't give us for the same China. Because say we like Opweke, we like cheap things. We're not the ones stand up to reality. We find shortcuts. Nigerian youth, start. Nigerian youth, start. Take a step. Not just they wake up every day, they hope say it go better one day, it go better. No level, you no go wake up still say it don't better. You go do something, make it for better. Even help those who help themselves. God don't give us power. God don't give us orientation. God don't give us akoniche. He don't give us okpolo. He don't give us agbari. He don't give us a wine. How you say they use your own Nigerian youth? How not say they use on our own? You they suffer, you still they like your suffer. People will put you for suffer, you still they hate them, you still they praise them, you still they follow them for nyash. Beep. Now be to divide, now be the case. If Biafra won't come since, make I use Biafra as example now. Biafra for don't come. Sellers too many, they not unite. Biafra not unite, therefore don't get Biafra since. How many of the governors they come out openly say they support Biafra? Because they deal with the Malu cabals. They deal with the said Hausa cabals where they kill their brothers. How many? Let's speak the truth. Let's talk the truth. If Biafra won't come, if I don't come since, now unity not the Biafra land, now make Biafra never come. I don't want to call name of anybody. If the governors, or rather the previous governors who don't rule Biafra land, they come as Nigerians when I call them, because me I not be Biafran. You have a right to fight for your freedom, no doubt. But why? Why will not cooperate with yourself? Saudi Arabia, now Dubai fair day, or rather day under. Dubai not follow the fight before they go form United Arab Emirates. Before they go form Dubai. Dubai not follow Saudi Arabia fight. Dubai by themselves come on, the big men for Dubai. Don't even dey outside Dubai. We even dey outside Saudi Arabia for foreign countries. They come back. They come they do things, they go their northern side, their side. They do things, go home. Where be the present Dubai now? It's not all about fighting. The civil war will not see the problem where it cause. Somebody must win for war. It could be anybody at the same time. But you know how many people they perish in between that interval or that time where the war take day? You know how many people they perish? Those people cannot come back again. Those people don't be past tense. They don't waste their life. Cooperate, unite. Nobody only pass, no thinker. Even your pastors, they hold meeting with this politician. If you talk, say, okay, I be Christian, no, my pastor say we should not do this. So no level. Your pastor, they get dinner meeting with them sometimes. Your pastor, they do lunch with them sometimes. Your pastor, they go to their party sometimes. Then they come your pastor out for 2 o'clock for sometimes. Your pastor, they pray for sometimes. Your pastor and a business partner with some of these politicians. Your pastor did some organization with these your politicians. Some of your pastors, not be all the pastors. Many of the pastors. Now church now get the highest congregation pass now. For anything for this world. Even for I oversee Obodo Yibo, for Yibo land, the giant. Everywhere. Apart from Asia, where we know say the Christianity, no, they fight and they get all that kind of religion there. But for Africa, for UK, for America, Church, people go plenty, but still, we are not moving anywhere. Pastor the fat, or rather some pastors the fat. They get big belly, and they also say that they do fasting and prayer. Some go say that they fast for 10 days, they fast for 5 days or 7 days. Their belly go still big. The members where they pay the small offering now, or they pay the tithe out of stress. I'm not saying make anybody not pay tithe. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not kicking against it. If you can afford the tithe, if you are working, you get your 10%, go and pay. God will bless you. But not be saying you not get that they force you to pay. No level. No level. You go borrow money, one quarter, impress God. Now you and God know, not be you and pastor know. Now God know what he did. So you are not impressing your pastor. God know your heart. If you day, day. God know your heart. If you not day, not day. Paul and Silas for Bible. When I not see the kind suffer, will they pass for inside Bible? When I will be Christian. Now inside prison, they for sing that song. Not before altar. Not before inside Range Rover. Not before inside Mercedes Benz. Now inside prison, they for sing. Paul and Silas, they pray. After prayer, they sang. After singing, the Holy Ghost came down. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they throw them for fire. Fire, 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 fire. People where they do God work. They throw them for fire. God wants to see whether they go denounce them, whether they go fuck up, whether they go say something else. For King Nebuchadnezzar hand. They set fire. People where they throw them inside the fire, they fall for ground. But God was with them. God was with them because those people were walking in truth and in the light of God. How many of our pastors, they go prison? How many? Instead, they will prefer to be the friend to the minister, or a friend to be the commissioner, or a friend to governor. No. Now all the corner problem, they make anybody not pretend, make anybody not carry face come out. No. I'm not calling any pastor by name or referring to any pastor. I'm talking generally. The system is not conducive. The atmosphere is killing. Nigeria not get airline. But for the whole of Africa, the Nigerians get the many airline pass. Or rather get private jet pass individually. And the country not get airline. The country not get airline. The country not get plane in their name. Like the Buhari said they go launch for December. Where they use 1.something billion. They do logo and they do some kind of logistics. Where they cancel now. Say we not go see them again for December. We never get for over 20 years now. Or over 30 years now. But Nigerian men now get private jet pass for the whole of Africa. Even challenge some of the Europe countries. Our pastors self now even get plenty pass. Or get plenty too. Nigerian youth, make una cooperate. I am not saying anybody should fight anybody. No. I am not saying anybody should fight anybody. No. Just do the right thing. Don't not do follow. If only one person do am, e no go work. Make many people fall in that line. When I leave bad people, make them do what they do. You do your own. Let the bad behavior of somebody else not change your own good behavior if you are good. Without that, you no go fit work. You no go fit work without that love and unity. You no go work. No thinker, no charm, no juju. We go dey enter trouble by trouble, problem by problem, and wahala to wahala. Wahala go dey give problem trouble at the same time. If we not cooperate, if we not do the right thing, if we not show love. So what is the problem of this love and this cooperation? It takes nothing to be good. It not take you any muscle to take do good. Now just willingly, you agree to do good. But it takes a lot of energy, wahala, GBT, everything to do negativity, to do evil. Your mind go dey beat. Why not fall on the good path? Make anybody not deceive you. None of these governors get your good intention. Even the Peter Obi and Yaradua, late Yaradua in blessed memory. Now those two people, now Nigeria still give level in for Yaradua time. They get good record. Not be say they're good, they still chop money. They chop money. Anybody not talking, they not chop money. The money they there berekete. The money they there. They must see money chop. It not get anybody will go enter as governor for Nigeria until they amend that constitution again. Until law start fairly for everybody. It not get anybody will go enter governor for Nigeria now. Where you no go see money thief or where you no go thief money. The money they there. Make them enjoy. Make them give us. Make we still enjoy. Make them do infrastructure. Make them do road. Make them do lights. Make we still dey feel am. Now we say a problem there, they will run, leave us, go America, run, leave us, go Canada, run, leave us, go Norway, or go UK, or the same Israel. No. They go fix am. All of us go dey enjoy the facility. All of us go dey enjoy the benefit. If senator they receive 13.5 million, why workers no go fit receive 100,000 naira as minimum wage? Make the economy still there as it dey. So as we dey manage, as we dey fuel for inside, as we dey suffer inside. Nigeria go dey borrow money, or rather Nigerian government will go borrow money until they pay people salary. And they go share internal generated revenue, no use and do anything. They go call big budget for no allocation. Big money. We not dey see what they take, they do. Now only their personal business. Now we dey see for our eye every day. Now they grow. Only their personal business. Now they grow. How many government parastatals they work effectively apart from the armed forces? Like custom, like immigration, like police, like army, air force, and navy. Apart from those sectors, and at those sectors still they receive pension. No other set of people they receive pension. And civil servant. For civilized country, as far you they work, as far you they pay tax, once you old or you retire, government go dey pay you pension from that tax, so you don't dey pay for over the years. But Nigeria not be like that. How many parastatals they work for Nigeria? We don't have to pretend. They don't bring article come for us now. We they jump up, articulated. What do you articulate? Why you never articulate yourself since? Not being get after university for Yola. Atiku na one of the biggest oil dealer for Nigeria. Where they do export, where they deal in oil for Nigeria within level. What did they don't do for us? How many community don't put a transformer? Now 36 states, they Nigeria. You suppose don't put transformer around that 36 states within level. May take convince us, say go take care of us if they give them power. Or if you become president. You never do anything and you be billionaire. They not they do anything. They not they do anything. Make gonna not do I one kind. Now the truth. Nigerian leaders, the UK bank, 400 million, or rather 400 billion pounds. 400 billion pounds. Now Nigerian government over the years, or rather since democracy, they don't still go different bank, or rather they don't still go back for UK. 400 billion pounds. Do you know how much is that? Almost $1 trillion. Almost $1 trillion. Trillion for naira. Nigerian youth, make una shine una eye. God no come down for up. God no come down for up. He don't already give you what you need. He don't already make you human being. Stand up and defend yourself. Stand for your right. Make we dey change small. We say they the problem, they the matter. Now people they cooperate, they go message for these senators and ministers. They don't use hungry cage everybody. Once we see 10K or see 5K or 20K, we go lose. We won't do anything, sell our birthright. We go for fit chop small thing. Forget, say if we stand, oppose them, bear the pain for a little while, we go overcome. Everybody and our children will get a better life for the future. I'm not there for PDP side, I'm not there for APC side. I'm not a PDP, I'm not an APC. I am not against Atiku as a human being where God creates. I am not against Buhari as a human being. I am against their government. I am against the ruling, the kind of ruling Nigerian government they rule their citizens. It is wrong. The constitution is fraudulent. The constitution is killing. The constitution is not genuine. Nigerian, you stand up, defend yourself, hold your ground. All those protests that they do, yes, protest good. Now one way to demonstrate your right for activism, to protest, make them see, say yes, people they vex or things not they go well with the people. But once that protest they get ahead, this same government now go send their police or their soldier, as the case may be, make one dissolve or come scatter or come beat people. Some people they die for inside, some people they injure severely. That is not the way. We have right to civil disobedience. We have right to protect ourselves when the need arises. Just like the way it be for Benue State. When Fulani they go kill people. They have the right to protect themselves. But still the federal government make them powerless and make them useless before the Boko Haram or before the Fulani herdsmen. And up to date now, they still they kill. Even for Jos, for Makurdi, for Kanu, for everywhere, for Nigeria. They still they do wonders. The news they suppress them. Yes. The news, the press they suppress them. The press not they talk everything. Government don't want them, they not talk everything. The press they use style, they cover many. Make una shine on our eye. We not get where we they go with these people. Even if we don't win now, even if they rig themselves, but make them see our force. Make them see say we get 20 million, only from the youth, 20 million, 30 million, 40 million. Make them still rig them. Make them even surprise say the whole 60 million of the youth will register, say everybody vote for their various locations and their various states. Make them still rig and join that 60. But for their mind, they go to fear, they go know say we don't come. They go know say we don't arrive. I implore you, Nigerian youth. I ask you to take the right step. Take it back. Take it back. Take everything back. Take your lifestyle back. Take your education back. Take your light back. Take your road back. Take your welfare back. Take your good health back. Take everything back, but not with fight. Just by the right step. Those of una wey don't register or wey don't do swap or change of their PVC, make una not fail. Now November, this November wey dey come next month, now everybody go dey collect their new voters card or go collect their way they swap. Make una not fail, make una not leave am. Make una not leave am. Make una not neglect am. Make una go collect am. Make we exercise our right. They don't rig Osun State own. They don't rig Ekiti own. They don't rig other states own. Make we not look that one. Make we still take the right step. Make we still take the right step. Make we stand for ourselves. You don't need grammar to take vote. You don't need book to take vote. You don't need education to take vote. Make them not use that one to deceive una or deceive anybody. No. Go there and vote rightfully. Vote for your candidate. If you like, vote for anybody. But I'm just telling you to use your sense. I am telling you not to vote for the people who have destroyed your past. Because they cannot fix your future. They cannot fix your future. They cannot fix your future. They took time to destroy your past. They don't have that time now to fix it for you. Because majority of them are above 65. Majority of them are above 70 years. They are close to their grave. They are only working to keep themselves alive for a period of time and plan their children. And position their children to continue what they started or what they have been doing. You job. Believe me, your destiny is in your hands. Please indicate if you are not hearing me clearly or if you are not seeing me. I think the network is having problem. Please indicate if you are not seeing me. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Yeah, use your brain. Thank you. Nigerian youth, stand up. Nigerian youth, defend yourself. Nigerian youth, hold on tight. Okay, it's a little bit dark. Okay. Okay. Hope it's clear now. Can you see me better? Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Nigerian youth. Now our hand is there. Now these young people get the force, now get the drive. These old people just they use our force, they use our energy, they use our drive, they use our sense, cage us with poverty. They rob us of everything. Everybody, once you want just blow once, you just go to do politics. Instead of you to serve your people and bring a good life for them, you go to change her. Only you go chop the money. It don't even reach the kind level so we say Nigerian government supposed just share money. Yes, even if na 500,000, just share them. Make we still test more from the same money. Now only 8% for inside Nigerian population they receive above 60,000. Only 8%. Only 8%. Now they live above 60,000 in 30 days. Which not complete $200 in a month. How they want to survive? Senator, they collect 13.5 million. Senator, they collect 13.5 million in that same month. Minimum wage na 18,000. How you want to pay your house rent? How you want to feed your children? How you want to pay their school fees? But Senator pikin they go school for UK. Senator pikin they go school for London, for America. Senator pikin they go school for Canada, for Switzerland. Or the one way they here they go school of 1 million, they go school of 500,000, they go school of 5 million. They not even genuinely freely make even the public school free. So wetin we got to follow them for? If they not fit give us all these things and them they enjoy them, then they benefit them, then they use them every day, and they not fit give us. Wetin be the love wey they get for us? Wetin be the belief say if they enter power again they go help us? No, then they enjoy it. It's obvious. E not get any governor where they suffer. E not get any governor for Nigeria where get below 100 million naira. E not dey. Who get below 100 million naira as a sitting governor now may come out. May bring all in bank account. May bring the BVN number come out. Make we check am. Not the way they hide for foreign account wey we not know. The one way dey for him normal bank for inside this Nigeria wey be like wey be legit, where nobody dey disturb and put. How many governor go fit say you not get that money or you not even get reach 1 billion or more? Then people they suffer. Price of things they rise every day. Price of things they rise every day. Bag of rice for Jonathan time na 7,000, 7,500 and 8,000. Bag of rice don't be 17,000, 18,000, 19,000 or even 20,000, depends on the grade. Now, oil, gallon of oil, 4-liter gallon of oil will be 1.5, don't be 3,500 now or 3,000, depends on the product. So which evidence, which proof these old leaders go fit give us, say they don't they do for us things, or what they don't they do for us, how they take love us, how they take care for us, how they go to the represent us for these political offices? Which proof they get? Instead that they have put that they inflict problem on us, that they afflict our life with different nyama, different mago, and confusion. Still, we go to bear am, they assume say, oh, it go better one day go. It not go better if you not do one or two things. It not go better if you not stand against negativity. It not go better if you not start to do positivity. It not go better until we start to follow the law. It not go better until the law stand for you and I, stand for everybody, the way it stand for senator and president. We know say for every country, president or governor, they get immunity to an extent. We still know the one way it's supposed to do for everybody. We know they enjoy anything for Nigeria. We are not enjoying anything. Whoever is watching this video, wherever you are watching from, we are not benefiting anything in Nigeria. No commoner, no regular citizen or average citizen go tell you say the body they benefit. The house rent is so high. The transportation is so high. The goods and services, the things that we buy from market, food stuff, is so high. If you not get 5,000, you know if you cook one better soup or one pot of soup, we no go even last more than 48 hours. So what will be the evidence? What will be the proof? Say these people who don dey lead us since 1960 they come get our good intention, love us. How many governors get only one house, or get only 2 houses, or even 3 houses for inside Nigeria? How many governors? Some they get full street, some they get estates, some get companies out of public funds. They not first get those estates before they become governor. They not first get those companies before they become governor. They not first get those exotic cars before they become governors or before they become ministers. Now our money, even the constituted allocated money, is too much. It is fraudulent. Nigerian youth, make una leave these people. I am not against any individual one-on-one, no. Fayose dey for EFCC tent or dey for EFCC office or their house or their station for 3 days now or 4 days now. Yes, in Fayose no fit talk saying holy, saying not thief 100 million for inside Nigeria. It's not possible. It's not possible. Say Fayose, no, all of them thief. Now make them not feel probe themselves. They use some as scapegoats. We not can follow line, or we can't disobey them, or we can't do 1 or 2 things we not follow their agenda. Now those ones that they probe. All the governors, all the senators. Make us still use Ben Bruce as example. Ben Bruce na billionaire before he becomes senator. But still, he still chop money. But I still respect him for one thing. For a constituency, he stepped down for a younger person to run for senator. He relax, he chill, he withdraw back, he retire from that senator seat. He give another person who is still young, may go try. Yes, unlike some other people, we won't remain there for 10 years, for 15 years, for 20 years. But still, even Peter Obi, as make I use Peter Obi where they are alive now, where will still be proved, where they go as Atiku vice now. As good as Peter Obi, he still thief money, he still chop money. So they are not free. None of them is free. Even our local government chairmen, some not get bicycle before they become local government chairman. In less than 6 months, they don't knock mansion of 50 million or 100 million. In less than 6 months of being a local government chairman. I get video, somewhere I never post, somewhere I don't post. I get video to prove. This will not be picture or maybe it doesn't have Photoshop. No, I get video. They are poor. They were poor. So make anybody not come preach to you, tell you, say, he go do this one, he go do this one, he go do that one. If he enter power. No. They never do one before. They no go fit do one again. They never do one before. They no go fit do one again. Na so suffer that they give us. Na so problem that they do for us. Make them talk one thing wey they don't do, say they don't do. Say they work it there effectively. We dey feel am for our life as masses, as citizens of Nigeria, say the Nigerian government do am for us. Instead, they extort big tax from us. Then they chop the money every day. Then they fat. Their children dey for the best school. Their children they drive the best car. Their children get the best security. Your children not get where them dey. We not get where we dey. And our money, now for the poor people, they do the work. The rich men children not they work, then they sit down, then they give them special treatment, preferred treatment, treatment where they want by themselves, as their papa and their mama for different position. Now Desiani Madweke Pikin, now giving girlfriend private jet or a mama private jet. Now Nigerian. Former Minister of Petroleum. Sarah reporter carry say the woman don embezzle almost $50 billion over the years. Not be 1 year, not be 2 years, not be 3 years. Oh, he don dey embezzle that money from different government office, which she don dey chop based on her level. Then poor man dey find garri. Poor man dey find eba, dey find soup. Then they dash person private jet for out of public funds. Then you go carry yourself, go vote for them. You go carry yourself, go to campaign for them. For how much? For 10,000, for 20,000, at most for 50,000. Where you go finish under 30 days, and they are going to rule you for 4 years or 8 years. And you cannot see them, you cannot do anything after they enter power. You cannot. They don't enter, they don't enter. Now they will still come again after another 4 years. Constantly they give you another lamba. Constantly they give you another tricks, another tactics. Come they kneel down for you. Some go they kneel down, they beg you, say may you vote them. No! If you are credible, you will not kneel down. You will only show your interest. People will applaud you and vote for you. Some people say they be Mr. Integrity. Then they use corruption, they fight corruption. No level. No level. Everybody is guilty. Everybody in the system is guilty. Nobody to glorify his or herself. As far as you don't be senator, you don't be minister, you don't be commissioner, you don't be governor, you don't be president. Where is the proof of your genuineness? How many of them don't declare their asset publicly? UK, bank for UK, bank for London. British bank. Nigerian government, they say Nigerian government don't carry up to $400 billion, or rather no, 400 billion pounds. Come different banks for only UK or for different banks for overseas. Then our schools, our public schools not get roof. Our public school not get chair. People, children still they sit down for ordinary ground, for sand. Our hospitals not get bed. There was a picture I posted a day before yesterday. For hospital, one woman, one old woman, elderly woman sit down. Now his stepson carry and go to the hospital for naught. Now wood wey they go pluck for bush. Now they take put drip, they take hang the drip where they go into our body. The bed no get headrest first of all. The bed no get that pole where they dey for bed, where they hang am, or that roller, that stand where they dey, where they put drip. The bed no get am. Then Buhari go fly plane or private jet, go UK, go stay for 90 days or more than 90 days for medical checkup. So, which sense, which legacy, which story that they tell on when I tell you fall for them? Which lie that they lie for on our Nigerian youth? There was a time we don't know what we know now. We were living in darkness. We were living in the past. Yes, I agree. There was a time I don't know what I know now. But we have known now. We have realized. We don't see say yes. It's not clear. Say na mago. Why we no go change now since we don't know say na mago na wuru na LGBT? Why we no go change? Why we no go follow the right trend? Why we no go stand as one? Why we no go join our voice as responsible youth? Take back our destiny peacefully self, without war, without violence, by doing the right thing. Go and get your PVC card that you have registered for first. In 2 weeks' time, that process will start. Go and get your PVC. Try to vote genuinely. Any candidate where they bring come, where they not can't vote, they vote for them. Where they don't use voters card, they vote for them. Where they give them result or call them the winner for any reason. It is illegal and it is rigged. No, everybody go vote normally. You not get any country where you know they do wuru or where you know they do mago. Now 1%, 2%. But our own, now mago na many pass. They go even beat those ones where they talk truth, including me. Stand up, hold on, hold tight. Stay relevant, stay useful. We know so they don't use hungry block the system. They don't use starvation block many people eye. Let's bear it. We never die since. We not go die now. Make we not collect 10 naira, collect 10,000, collect 20,000 for election to vote the wrong person. The youth don't already get 60 million people out of 80 million Nigerians who don't register for voters card. The youth don't get 60%. The youth make una do this thing for Nigeria. Make una change am without bloodshed. Femi Fani Kayode talk say, former Minister of Aviation, talk say, he don't talk to Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra. Say he no go fight again. Say he won't come home. I don't know how true that story be, but I know say Nnamdi Kanu dey alive and he dey for Jerusalem. Yes. So for only that statement alone, when I suppose don't they ginger, don't they stand up for una rights? And if you check these Igbo people now, where they say they want Biafra, none of them, or rather many of them, not get voters card. Even the people where they agitate pass for this same Biafra now, many of them dey for Obodo Yibo, many of them dey for abroad, many of them dey for overseas. Where they agitate. Come home and take your home. Come home and take your land. If you dey fear say you be Osu, they don't abolish Osu. Osu not there for Igbo land again. Some of the governors and the traditional rulers don't abolish Osu. Come home. Come and take your Biafra. Stop shouting Biafra here. The people here are weak. They don't have the strength as much as they should. Because the government has caged them. Those of una wey dey Obodo Yibo, mona come take una Biafra. Go and build the same building you have in New York, the same building you bought in California, in Texas, in UK, in Birmingham, in Washington, D.C., in Newcastle, in Torino, in Manchester, in Sicily, in Rome. Come and build that kind of house in your Biafra. The kind of house you bought in South Africa, the kind of house you bought in Lekki Phase 1, the kind of house you bought in VGC, Victoria Garden City, the kind of house you have in Ikoyi, Banana Island, go and build it in your Biafra land. You will get your freedom. The market will come there. Onitsha is one of the first, biggest market in Africa, or rather in West Africa. Onitsha market in Aba, or rather in Anambra State. Yes, Onitsha is the biggest, one of the biggest markets. Go and build your Biafra. I have been to Owerri. I have been to Abia. I have been to the same Onitsha. I have been to Oka. I have been to Enewi. I have been to Enugu. They are vast land. Now make malu. Now make cow they come there, say they won't come stay there now. Say they won't come they chop grass. Because say now bush many pass the houses where they. Yes. Now bush many pass the houses where they for Igbo land. Now make cow they go there. Now make cow want chop grass for there. Build houses, build company, build factory, just like the way some motto they do. When Nigerian government not still give them space may breathe, that they winchy am. Come home, your Biafra people. Go and build your house. Not be mad that they collect Biafra. Not be mad that they get freedom. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by action. Not necessarily mean you will carry guns, you will carry machete, you will carry spear, or you will carry sword, or even grenade or bigger bombs. Unity. It go just solve this whole problem. Everybody go shame. But how can you unite when your mind full ziggy-zagger? How can you unite when you know the smile for your brother benefit, for your brother progress? How? How can you let things grow? When we say your brother never talk anything small, you don't spark. Say make uruge bumadu. Say make everywhere roll. Make every corner great. You not see who I want you to do example now. You not see this Governor Ganduje, where they give bribe of millions of dollars or thousands of dollars. You not see how many you go blow in head. You not see Rochas Okorocha for Imo State, where they build a statue of Zuma of South Africa, where they never build the forefathers' home. You don't see Rochas where they chop money. He go build your own separate government house. Not be the real government house he stay for Owerri. He go build his own house where he use as government house, where they wait for the stay as government house. Una no see I'm gonna jump for his head, make he give una money, or make una defend una self. Ekpe azu, what they don't do? The chair. What did they do? Which meeting that they hold? Which meeting that they hold? Which meeting that they hold? Let's be realistic. Which meeting that they hold? Now meeting of progress or now meeting of deceit to deceive one another. To take do meeting, they still collect the money from federal government, chop them. They deceive their children. If una unite, una Biafra go come. And they use Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And they use them as an example between Saudi Arabia, where they felt day before. They left. They go turn desert can't be fertile. They turn desert can't grow grass. They turn desert, they can't put hotel, or rather they can't put building for inside water. They start afresh. 20 years ago, Dubai no get level. Check history if I dey lie. Google. 20 years ago, Dubai no get the same level now. You know how many Nigerians dey work for Dubai now? Where me I know. Even security persons where they work for Dubai, they collect over 200,000 naira. How many security person they collect 200,000 naira? Eh? How many gate man they collect 200,000 naira for Nigeria? Francis Omoike, good evening. You are welcome. I salute you. One love with better style. Nigeria unite. Nigeria unite. Unite. Biafra people around the world. Believe me, I'm not a Biafra. I'm not an Igbo man. Either by birth or by religion or by tradition. I am not. But I feel your pain. I feel the agony in slavery. Because I'm not also free. The Nigeria not free anybody now. Not be only Biafra. It just say Biafra na case study. It just be like say Biafra na their direct victim. Nobody free for Nigeria except those who are there for power. Except those who are there for government. Or majority of the Malu Malu squad. Nigeria youth make una stand up. All this strength. See Edo State now, boys they kill each other. Make I use that one as an example. If they go on, it don't happen for the past 3 months they come. Instead of to pray for the land, then they curse the land. Blood go share now. Blood go share. When I go check the ancient map or the ancient flag of Benin. When I check the flag, when I see what's in the flag, when I go know the meaning of Benin, when I go know the meaning of Igodo Migodo. When I will know the meaning of Edo. Pray for the land. Pray for the children. Don't swear for them. I will come for that case or for that storyline next time. Nigerian youth, unite. Unite, 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 unite. I may sound funny, I may sound crazy. I may sound to whatever way you think I am. But believe me, another road not day, another road not day. We don't patient for too long. We don't patient for too long. If we unite, we will be free for so long, for too long. If we unite, we will be free for so long, for too long. Remember, remember, remember Marcus Garvey, who had decreed for you, Africa. Remember, remember, remember Martin Luther King, who had decreed for you, America. Remember, remember, remember King Selassie, who was betrayed by his people. Remember, remember, remember Lord Jesus Christ, who died for you and I to gain salvation. My brothers and sisters, unite, 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 unite. That is the topic, that is the goal, that is the aim. Let us unite and take our destiny. Let us unite and fix this government. Check history. First World War, Second World War, Gulf War, Civil War, all the kind of war. Now problem all bring, now affliction all bring. The bomb where they shoot for Hiroshima, American government as in her. Yes, na name as in her. Wait, say make they shoot atomic bomb for Hiroshima for China. Up till today, that bomb still dey cause problem. Now it make most of the China people turn to Eskimo or affect them earthwise. War not dey bring anything. Check Edo State, check Benin City, as we dey talk now, use them as case study. Then they kill themselves. Courtism. Government not give them work. Government not create employment. No food, no infrastructure, no business. So how you wanted to support or why you dey support these people? When you not dey benefit any of these things why they talk so. Wetin that they do for you? Just unite. Let us come together. Let us come together. Let us work hand in hand. Let us take our destiny. Let us use our mind for ourselves. Not using it for these people who are killing us, who are enslaving us. We have to move on. The time of slavery don't pass. Oyibo slave us with a shout. Our people still dey slave us now. Black man still dey enslave black man. Which way will they go? Wetin dey sup? Who dey move? Nigerian youth. How else you want to know say problem dey? How else you want to agree with me say we need to stand up for our rights? So far dey Africa kpakparakpa. So far dey kpakparakpa. Condition dey kpakparakpa. Me I know say you be African man. And we dey suffer kpakparakpa. Which condition you dey I don't know. The condition me I know. My condition don't reach it, make I act. Oh, if your condition today make you shake am, you still dey not talk the way you feel. Make you open your 2 ears very well to the act the way as you dey feel. Remember, if you no act your own, one day of course we must die. My brother, you act, you no act, you go die. You talk, you not talk, you go die. Why not just talk and make a change? Why not just enlighten the next person beside you? Why not just set the next person beside you free? Why not just collaborate with the next person and set up something and grow your life? Why not just agree in one accord, in genuineness? Why not just agree and take the right step and a bold step? Why not just agree and free yourself and live like the normal human being you are supposed to live like? We have all soaked ourselves in sin, in corruption. Everybody is corrupt in Nigeria. Everybody, even the average man, is waiting for 1 or 2 corrupt connections to come just to be elevated, just to move to the next level, because they don't too suffer. They don't too suffer. They don't too suffer. The suffer don't dey right from the beginning. The suffer don't dey right from slave trade. Yes, Oyibo come force us, slave us. Not be all the part for Nigeria, Oyibo capture. Some of these our leaders, some of these our elders, some of these our forefathers willingly sell some of their children, their village people give Oyibo for money or for material things which they never see before. Nigerian youth, you must know why you are living. You must know why you are existing. You must know what to do, and you must know what you are doing. Not be just to live anyhow. Thank God for those who were born with silver spoon where not they feel the pain like some of us. No problem. But everybody needs to work together for a peaceful atmosphere, otherwise everywhere go burst. If we not cooperate, we go scatter together, we go divide. United we stand, divided we fall. Once we fall yakata, nothing good will come out. And we don't need to fight. We just need to stand upright. We just need to continue to be talking and be claiming our right in all aspects. Not be only police they take bribe, or not be police they give himself bribe. Now person they give police bribe. And if you not do something wrong, most times, police not go come arrest you. Nigerian youth, stand up, declare your victory and work towards it. Not be only one day you not go take get time, not be 2 days, not be even 1 year. Now process, but let's fall in the right direction. Let's fall in the right track. Let's continue or begin the process. Nigerian youth, I beg. African youth, I beg. Unite. Unite. So many damage has been done. So many bad and wrong deed has been done. You cannot use muzzle to change the situation. You cannot use gun, arrow, and spear to change the situation. You cannot use bomb to change the situation. It will keep getting worse once you involve object or weapon. Africa unite. Nigerians unite. Make we stand gidigba. Make we stand strong. And not call out for anybody fight. Let's do the right things. Take care of your environment. Take care of your vicinity. Be at alert. Be on the watch. Do not vote for Atiku. Do not vote for Buhari. Let them know. Let them know that you know. Tell them say our eyes don't clear. Tell them say our eyes don't open. No. Tell them say our eyes don't clear. Tell them say our eyes don't open. No. Let them know that you know they are tricking you. Let them know that you know that they are betraying you. Let them know that you know that they are frustrating you. Let them know that you know they are playing with your destiny. Let them know that you are tired of being frustrated. Let them know that you are ready to take hold of leadership. Let them know you are ready to lead. Let them know you are willing to take charge, Nigeria youth. I am not saying you should fight anybody, no. I am not saying you should go to quarrel with anybody. Just do the right thing. Stand firm. Stay positive. Vote rightfully. Go and collect your PVC card. Let's peacefully chase them out. Let's disgrace them. Even if they rig the election, let them feel the heat that we are coming, we are chasing them. Let them see us in numbers, in large numbers. Let them feel the heat that we are ready, we are prepared. Not be one day as they talk, and not be one day in a process. But have we begun that process? Have we started walking in the right path? These people know they carry us go anywhere. Make una unite, make una stand. Yes, for those of you who still there online now, what I do now? Make I ask una like this now. After all the like and the comment and the good word, follow me on my Instagram handle. My Facebook don't full. Now this fan page now I don't divert to now. Subscribe to my YouTube channels. There are more coming your way. There are so many stories, so many. Some don't even pile up since last 2 weeks they come where I no see chance even to talk. I have my own life to live. That is why I'm going to start a live show which will be coming up in different days in the week. In the future, or rather very soon. Follow me on my Instagram handle. I will soon navigate to that direction. My Facebook don't full. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be doing live there most times now. Henceforth. It takes nothing to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram. It's just to click subscribe. It's just to click follow. Abi I know they talk sense or Abi I know they make sense. If I know they make sense, make una unfollow me for even this Facebook. If I know they make sense, make una comment, make I pack, enter house. Now 1 year it don't dey where I don't do this thing they come now for social media. We suppose don't know where we dey by now. We suppose don't they feel the change. We suppose don't they change small. Don't they take the right step. It takes nothing to subscribe. You no go spend each 100 naira for your credit or for your subscription if you want subscribe to my YouTube channel or if you want follow me. You no go take. Now the same way you dey like and they comment for here. Now you go take subscribe or follow me. You no take more than 50 naira to 80 naira. You no reach 100 naira just to click subscribe. If you believe say yes wetin I dey talk small truth dey or truth dey to an extent, why you not just follow me? Facebook cannot take more than 5,000. Instagram can take the whole world. YouTube can take the whole world. My fan page can take the whole world. As I'm talking now, I have more than 140 friend requests now on that same Facebook. Wey don full. Those of una wey dey there, wey be my friend, wey don add me, wey I never fit follow back because say my Facebook don full, or wey I never fit accept their request. Make una follow me for Instagram and for Twitter and for YouTube. Una subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dr. Old School TV. Dr. Old School TV, that is the YouTube name. Why I am Dr. Old School is my Instagram handle. Africa unite, Nigerians be wise, solidarity forever, one genuine love with better style.